Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Bing Webmaster Tools site data, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your Bing Webmaster Tools site data, start by logging into your Bing Webmaster Tools account. Once logged in, select the site you want to back up from your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Reports and Data section on the left sidebar. In this section, look for the Export Data option. Click on Export Data to initiate the backup process. You will be presented with various types of reports available for export. These typically include traffic, keyword performance, and site scan reports. Choose the reports you wish to back up by clicking the appropriate options. Once you have selected your reports, look for the Download button. Click on the Download button to save the selected reports to your device. Depending on the size of the data, this may take a few moments. After the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Now that you have your data downloaded, consider organizing it for easy access. You may want to create specific folders for each report type. Label your folders clearly to ensure you can quickly find the information later. Regularly backing up your site data will help you monitor your website's performance over time. This practice also safeguards you against potential data loss. Remember to check for updates or new reporting options periodically. With these simple steps, you'll successfully back up your Bing Webmaster Tools data. You are now equipped to manage and analyze your site's performance effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.